Okay, now the level 5 task is to record and quantize all 3 lines of the walking bass part. You have 2 options for doing this. You can just record the next 2 lines, or we can use some copy and pasting as well. But what I'm going to do is show you the recording way. So I'm going to do F, N, F, A, C, D, E flat, D, C, A. Okay, so that's the next part. This part is the same as the beginning, so I'm going to copy and paste that because the 7th and 8th bars are the same as the first 4 bars. So I'm going to copy and paste that. So let's record this and then copy and paste the next one in. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my keyboard and I'm going to have a little practice. So V, N, C, D, 1, bit of a jump. Okay, so that's... You can use 2 hands if you're not holding a phone as well. Okay, let's see how that goes. So make sure your playhead's on bar 5, and then I'm going to record that bit now. I completely messed that up because I was trying to look through my camera. Don't ask me why. But it's an opportunity to show how to edit mistakes. So I'm going to select all the notes. Pencil. Okay, so select all my notes, quantize, and then I have a listen. Okay, so this note is wrong, so I can just move that to where I want it to be. This note is wrong, and this note is wrong. And you can see it's like you're making a little pyramid. So these notes are the same, these notes are the same, and then these last notes are the same. Okay. There we go. And then I want to copy that first 8 notes. So I'm going to click on one of my early regions, press Ctrl C or right click copy, make sure my playhead's at bar 7, and then Ctrl V to paste. Okay, and then this is now line 1 and this is line 2. And then the next part. Okay, third line. So here I'm just going to scroll down to the third line. Remember, I'm looking at the bottom line, the bass clef. So I'm going to do G, B, D, B, F, A, C, A, C, E, G, E, G, F, E, D. Okay, so this last line is a bit different. I mean, you could practice the whole thing and do it, but let's do it section by section. Let's do it bar by bar. Okay, so first we have B, M, full stop, M. Okay, so let's record that, bar 9. Hit record. And stop. Double click. Select all, quantize. Okay, then we go to bar 10. Instrument, and we're going to do V, N, comma. Like that. So playhead is at bar 10, hit record. Double click on the region, where's my mouse? Select all the notes, so you can press Ctrl A or do that, then hit Q or click on quantize, or you can literally just press Q on your keyboard. There we go. Okay, and then last 2 lines, C, E, G, E, Z, C, B. Okay, record that. Okay, quantize that. Make sure you're happy with it. Ctrl A, Q, and last one, G, G, F, E, D. So my keyboard, that's going to be B, V, easiest part, all the notes next to each other. Let's get that done. Oh, it was a little bit early on that last note, but hopefully when I quantize it, it'll sort it out. Control A, Q. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so that's my walking bass line done. What I'm gonna do now, because I might want to extend it later, I'm gonna glue this all together. So I'm gonna select all these regions, and I'm gonna right click, and I'm going to merge them. So I've got my complete bass line. I'm also going to speed up the tempo, because if I listen to that at that speed, it's going to take forever. I'm going to take off the metronome because I find it annoying, and just have a listen to what I've done.